SaaS Apocalypse 2026, why Claude Cowork just wiped 2 lakh rupee crore off Indianet. The Indianet sector just faced a Lehman moment for the AI era as the Nifty 8 index suffered a brutal 6% crash in a single day. This wasn't just a normal market drop, it was a total panic response to a new technology that can act as a digital employer. In less than 24 hours, over 2 lakh rupee crore in investor wealth vanished as the market realized that the game has officially changed. The tool causing this chaos is called Claude Cowork, an AI suite that doesn't just talk, it actually does work independently. Unlike a basic chatbot, these AI agents can log into company software, analyze legal contracts, and fix software bugs without any human help. This technology targets the exact high-value services that companies like TCS and Infosys have provided for decades. For years, the success of Indianet was built on a simple formula: hiring thousands of people and billing clients for every hour they worked. Investors now fear a SaaS apocalypse, where clients stop paying for human hours and instead pay for instant results delivered by AI. If an AI agent can do a month's worth of coding in an hour, the traditional, per-head, revenue model of Indianet could effectively collapse. To make matters worse, this AI shock hit right when Indianet firms were already struggling with massive new regulatory costs. The carnage was most visible in mid-cap stocks like Persistent Systems and LTIMindtree, which fell even harder than the industry leaders. These companies specialize in engineering services, an area that Claude Cowork and other AI agents can now automate with high accuracy. Foreign investors, FPIs, led the exit, pulling money out of India to invest in the US companies that are actually creating these AI tools. However, the story isn't over yet, as the Big Six are now in a life or death race to reinvent themselves as AI-first companies. The companies that survive will be those that stop selling cheap labor and start selling managed AI intelligence to their global clients. While the old model is dying, a new era of high-margin, automated services is beginning, but the transition will be incredibly painful for shareholders. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button to join our community. We're on a mission to decode the stocks in the market. Don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.